Hello. Today we're going to talk about the large-scale structure of the universe. A fascinating topic that has been studied extensively by scientists at the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian. But before we dive in, we kindly ask you to subscribe to our channel to help us grow and provide ever-increasing quality content to all science enthusiasts out there. Everywhere we look in the sky, we see galaxies, and they fall into a pattern called the large-scale structure of the universe. This structure is like a huge web shaped by gravity, with most galaxies and galaxy clusters lying along the strands. But how did this structure come to be? Well, it turns out that what became galaxies and clusters began as froth on huge cosmic sound waves, during the era when the universe was a hot cauldron of particles and light. These waves are called baryon acoustic oscillations, and they provide us with a way to measure the expansion rate of the universe, including the mysterious acceleration caused by dark energy. The Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian has led many studies of the large-scale structure of the universe and baryon acoustic oscillations. For example, they've used surveys of thousands of galaxies across the sky to create a three-dimensional map of the cosmic web and galaxy-free voids. They've also surveyed galaxies and quasars to map baryon acoustic oscillations, the ripples in the sky larger even than the cosmic web. The result of all this research is a map of those primordial fluctuations. What we see today is long strands, sheets, and clusters of galaxies forming a huge web. The web is punctuated by voids, which have few or no galaxies. Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian scientists Margaret Geller, John Huchra, and colleagues discovered the first huge piece of this structure in 1989, which is known as the Great Wall. The large-scale structure provides us with information about fluctuations in the very early universe, as well as the distribution of dark matter, the formation of galaxies, and a measure of how quickly the universe is expanding. In fact, scientists have even created a computer model of the large-scale structure of the universe using the Illustris simulator. This model depicts the dark matter and gas involved in forming galaxies and galaxy clusters, as well as the filaments connecting them. But what about those baryon acoustic oscillations? Before the universe was about 380,000 years old, all of the ordinary matter took the form of a hot, opaque plasma. Sound waves flowed through this plasma in all directions. When the universe cooled and became transparent, traces of those sound waves were left in the distribution of ordinary matter particles, which astronomers call baryons. The relic sound waves are known as baryon acoustic oscillations, BAO. Unlike large-scale structure, they're too big to be governed by dark matter or gravity. For that reason, the crests and troughs of BAO are very regular, with a scale of roughly 500 million light-years, more than 10 times the size of a large galaxy cluster. Astronomers use BAO as a standard ruler to measure distances on cosmic scales. BAO is also one of the major ways astronomers study dark energy, the accelerated expansion of the universe. In conclusion, the large-scale structure of the universe is a fascinating topic that has been studied extensively by scientists at the Center for Astrophysics, Harvard and Smithsonian. Their research has provided us with a better understanding of the early universe, the formation of galaxies, and the mysterious acceleration caused by dark energy. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.